Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon eagle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our little easy cartoon eagle, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to make a half circle on top and a half circle on bottom. Then you just want to color in the inside. Now for the beak, I'm going to kind of line up with the eye. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to curve down. I'm going to bring it over and then kind of up in a smile. Then we'll bring this line down. Starting here, we'll draw this line down and then up in a smiley face. We'll make a little black dot for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. And I'm going to put two little points on here for some feathers. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Starting here, I'm going to draw another line that comes down. Then I'm going to make some little zigzag lines across here. Now right here, let's make the wing. We're going to start right here at the tip of this point. Let's bring this line down here. A nice big curve, kind of like a sideways J. Bring this up a little bit. Then I'm going to go out to a point, come back, out to a point, and come back. Now, starting here at this point, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for some feathers. Then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and up, down, and then back up for some more feathers. Now for the body, let's bring a line down and then up a little bit. And we'll do the same thing here, down and up. Then I'm going to curve this across. Right here, I'm going to make two lines that come down. I'm going to bring this line out, and then we'll just curve it up a little bit for the toe. We'll do one more here, and this time we're going to bring it up and down. Then we'll just bring this line back towards the leg. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to make two lines coming down. We'll draw one that's going to come out and up, and then one more that's just going to come right to here. Now for the tail. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out, and then we'll bring it right back here. I'll start this next one right here, and we'll bring it up. And then right here, we'll draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little cartoon, easy, cute eagle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.